4 rare facts about shoe bulls. Their prey never sees them coming. Shoe bulls are masters of patience. They stand still and silent in or next to water, waiting for the right moment. Then they suddenly lunge forward, spreading their wings and plunging down bill first into the water to ambush a fish. This lunge is called a collapse, and it is unexpectedly swift, taking only seconds, and performed with great accuracy and power. In fact, the collapse can be so violent that the bird's beak and thick skull act as shock absorbers to protect it against injury. They're bigger than they seem. It comes as a surprise to many that the shoe bull can be up to 5 feet tall. The bird is only inches shorter than an average person. If you stood next to one, it could almost look you in the eye. Couple that with an enormous wingspan of almost 8 feet, and no wonder shoe bulls have an intimidating reputation. They aren't very heavy though, only weighing up to 16 pounds. And they can and do fly. But they only flap those big wings about 150 times per minute, one of the slowest rates of any bird. They eat what others can't or won't. The shoe bull's favorite food is the lungfish, a marsh and mud dweller that reaches 6 feet in length and weighs nearly 8 pounds. That's one heck of a catch. Shoe bulls also eat eels, catfish, water snakes, and even small crocodiles. They go by many names. The name shoe bull comes from the shape of their bill, which looks a bit like a Dutch clog shoe. A taxonomist who described it also thought the bill shape resembled the head of a baleen whale, and named the species Balaniceps rex, which means whalehead king.